Everyone told him to quit. Not loudly, not cruelly, just those quiet comments that stick with you. Be realistic, it's not working. Maybe this just isn't for you. He heard it from friends, from family, sometimes from himself, and the worst part? They weren't completely wrong. He had been trying for a long time, putting in effort. Waking up early, staying up late, results were slow, almost invisible. While others moved on with their lives, he felt stuck in the same place. That's when the doubt really hit. Maybe quitting would be easier, maybe it would hurt less. Here's what most people don't tell you. Quitting doesn't happen all at once. It starts quietly. You stop talking about your goals. You stop sharing your plans. You stop believing anyone would understand anyway. And that silence can either break you or protect you. Instead of arguing with people, he did something different. He stopped explaining. No speeches. No defending his dreams. No asking for approval. He stayed quiet. And he focused on one thing. Daily action. Not huge action. Not dramatic change. It's just small, repeatable work. Even when no one was watching. Especially when no one was watching. On days he felt motivated, he showed up. On days he felt tired or discouraged, he still showed up just a little. There were weeks where nothing seemed to happen. No praise, no validation, no visible progress. And that's usually when people quit. But he didn't, because he stopped measuring success by opinions. He measured it by consistency. Did I show up today? Did I do the work I said I would? That was enough. Slowly, things began to shift. Not on the outside at first, but inside. He felt calmer, more grounded, less desperate for approval. The noise faded, and in that quiet, focus grew. Here's the truth. Most people quit not because they fail, but because they talk too much about what they want to do. They borrow confidence from reactions. They borrow motivation from encouragement. And when that disappears, so does their effort. He did the opposite. He built belief through action. Eventually, results showed up, not suddenly, not dramatically, but clearly enough to speak for themselves. The same people who said quit started asking, how did you stay consistent? He didn't have a fancy answer. He just stayed quiet and kept going. If you're in that place right now, where people don't get it, where progress feels slow, where quitting feels tempting, try this. Stop explaining your dreams. Choose one small action. Do it daily. Let results do the talking. You don't need permission to continue. You just need to keep going. Let's improve together, quietly, consistently, and on our own terms.